People of Kenya, borders. Since 1503, we Haitians were paying a big price. You know everything. Some people, some of our borders, too greedy to resist imperialism temptation, sold us out. We didn't want to come here and live in America. We are African and we want to live in Africa. That's what we want. But they sold us. They sold our borders, our sisters. And me, now talking to you, I'm the fruit of one of those people that were forced to leave their country, to leave their loved one to come here in America. Because some of our borders sold us to imperialism. Today, imperialism again is trying to use Africans, to stop our movement to free our country. Our movement so our people can live like human beings with dignity. It saddens us to see that an African nation is helping imperialism to do that. We have a government here in Haiti that has no legitimacy. No one loves them. This government, everyone knows, is helping gangs, killing innocent people, kidnapping, and serving imperialism interests. Today, I'm asking you, people of Kenya, Africans like us, to help us. Don't let your government do this thing. If your people, your policemen or your military come here in Haiti, they won't be welcome. We don't want them here. We know their borders. We want to see them like borders, not like oppressions. If they come now to support a government that has no legitimacy, if they come here now to help imperialism, to keep us in the situation we are now, then they will do the same thing our borders did in the 16th century. Help us stop that. We don't want them. They're not coming here to help us. They're coming here to help the status quo. They're coming here to help imperialism. They're coming here because they don't want us to be a free nation. They're too afraid of what we did in 1804 when we told the world that black men can be what we are. We defeat Napoleon. We defeat everyone to tell them that slavery is against humanity. So now, please, people of Kenya, don't let your government, don't let your Congress do that. And new congressmen in Kenya, please, please, we don't want you to come here like that. We don't want to hate you. You are borders. But if you come to help imperialism, so now we will consider you like enemies. Shame on you if you do that. Thank you.